Hopefully, you teach your kids good manners, positive values, and how to eat a healthy diet. But do you teach them about achieving financial security? Do you actually know what to tell them about money? As a parent, it can be challenging to raise a child who is financially responsible. The world is full of social media influencers and celebrities who are constantly posting about their lavish lifestyle on Instagram. However, with the right teaching techniques, you can teach your teen how to become rich and successful in life. In today's video, we are going to show you money tips for teenagers to become wealthy. Without further ado, let's begin. Do not work for money. The first tip in becoming rich is to do what you love. The number one rule in being rich is not to work for money, but to work for passion. If you are working for the love of what you do, then it doesn't feel like a job at all, and therefore will not feel like hard work. If you are working just for the money, then this can be tiring and stressful, leading to burnout and poor performance levels, which will mean that your income will actually be less than if you were doing something that was a little more enjoyable. Invest in yourself. You are your greatest asset, and you should treat yourself as such. You are the product you sell, so invest in yourself to increase your value. If you need help figuring out how to invest in yourself, ask an adult or mentor for advice. They will probably tell you to invest in your education, knowledge, skills, and health, so that when potential employers look at you, they see someone who is ready for the job market and has a lot of potential growth potential with them. Think about what areas of your life could use improvement and focus on those first before investing money into other areas like clothing or electronics. Create something you're passionate about. A lot of people ask me, how can I create a business that will make me rich? The first thing is to create something you're passionate about, because passion is the fuel that will keep you motivated and moving forward in any situation. It's also the engine that will drive your business to success. So if you're not passionate about what you're doing, then it's probably not going to work out very well for you. But if you do care deeply about what it is that drives your passion, then anything can happen. And yes, even becoming a millionaire overnight. Start now. The sooner you start saving, the more money you'll have. Start saving now. Don't wait for next week or even tomorrow. The time will pass anyway. So why not make the most of it? It is always better to start now rather than later, because your money will grow faster over time and help you become rich faster than if you just waited until tomorrow. You might be afraid of failing, but don't worry about that, because everyone fails at some point in their lives, and there is nothing wrong with it as long as we learn from our mistakes and make sure not to repeat them again, or at least try our best. If anything happens, don't be afraid just to ask for help from someone who has already experienced something similar before, so they can guide us through our journey toward success. The best thing about being successful is knowing when we've made enough money, so there's no reason why anyone should ever feel guilty about saying no when offered something they do not want or need, nor would benefit them financially in any way whatsoever. Invest and reinvest what you earn. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your money. This means that you will make more money from the interest, dividends, and other returns of your investment. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. You can start off by saving up a few $100s and investing in low-risk investments like mutual funds or stocks that are sold on stock exchanges like NYSE and NASDAQ. Investing in these markets will give you access to some of the best companies in the world, such as Google, Apple, Facebook, etc. The key to investing is not just finding good opportunities, but knowing how long they will last before they change sizes or disappear completely, which happens all too often. If an investor knows exactly what he wants, then his chances of success increase tremendously, because he doesn't waste time looking at anything else while he waits for something better than what already exists right now. Don't take big risks with your money. Some of your classmates might post about buying cryptocurrency on social media, or try to convince you to get in on the ground floor of some exciting investment opportunity. Don't take the bait. Millionaires see investing as the primary tool for building wealth and securing financial peace. They keep things simple, save consistently, and stay away from big risks. Here are the facts. 80% of millionaires say that investing in an employer-sponsored retirement plan, like a 401k, was the main way they reached millionaire status. Meanwhile, 74% mentioned investing outside the company plan, and 73% said the habit of saving money regularly was a key factor. For now, focus on graduating college debt-free. No student loans, credit card debt, or car payments. Once you've started your career and are ready to get started with investing, make sure you connect with a financial advisor, someone who can teach you all about investing and help you pick and choose the right investments for your portfolio. Our SmartVestor program makes it easy to find qualified investment professionals who can serve you. Stay away from credit cards. Once you step onto a college campus, get ready. You'll be bombarded by grinning credit card representatives trying to convince you to fill out credit card applications in exchange for a free t-shirt or a slice of pizza. This is a trap, people. Run, don't walk, in the other direction. The sad part is that many teens fall for this shtick and end up creating a financial mess for themselves. More than half of college students, 53%, are using credit cards to buy stuff, and about 40% say they currently have at least $1,000 in credit card debt, and 14% say they already have a balance of more than $5,000. And 2 cents, that's just dumb. Don't jeopardize your financial future by buying stuff you can't afford to impress people you barely know. It's not worth it. Say no to student loan debt. You can choose to not go into any debt, not even for college. That decision alone will put you light years ahead of your peers by the time you graduate. Think you might want to go to that fancy private school? Think again. Sure, you might look good when you're wearing the sweatshirt, but is it really worth it? Trust us, it doesn't matter as much as you think it does. The worst thing you can do to your future is get buried in payments before you're even out of your parents' house. Here are just a few ways you can get ready to pursue a debt-free degree right now. Apply for as many scholarships and grants as you can. Choose an affordable state university that offers you the most financial aid. Commit to working a part-time job when you're not in class. Live off campus or continue living at home with your parents while you go to school. We believe in you and your future. Don't get caught up in the lie that the only way to go to college is with debt. You can chase after your dreams while leaving student loan debt in the dumpster. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up for more interesting content, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.